The science-backed benefits of meditation for stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress is an almost universal experience, affecting individuals across all walks of life. While stress can be a normal response to challenging situations, chronic stress can negatively impact mental and physical health. Meditation, an ancient practice now widely supported by modern science, has emerged as one of the most effective tools for stress relief. This article explores the science-backed benefits of meditation, how it alleviates stress, and the transformative impact it can have on overall well-being. Understanding meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind, often by concentrating on the breath, a word, a mantra, or a particular sensation. It is rooted in various spiritual traditions, but is increasingly practiced secularly for its mental and physical benefits. Types of meditation. 1. Mindfulness meditation, focusing on the present moment without judgment. 2. Loving-kindness meditation, cultivating compassion for oneself and others. 3. Body-scan meditation, bringing awareness to physical sensations in the body. 4. Transcendental meditation, repeating a mantra to transcend ordinary thought processes. 5. Yoga and movement-based meditation, combining physical movement with meditative focus. The link between stress and health. Stress triggers the body's fight or flight response, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While this response is helpful in short bursts, chronic activation can lead to anxiety and depression. Cardiac disease, sleep disturbances, and dysfunction. Digest problems. Meditation works by counteracting the stress response, activating the body's relaxation response. How meditation reduces stress. The science. 1. Reduces cortisol levels. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, is elevated during periods of stress. Excess cortisol can impair memory, suppress the immune system, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that regular meditation significantly reduces cortisol levels, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. 2. Enhances brain function. Meditation affects key areas of the brain associated with stress and emotion regulation. Amygdala. The amygdala, which processes fear and stress, becomes less active with meditation. Prefrontal cortex. This area, responsible for decision-making and self-control, becomes more robust, enhancing resilience to stress. Hippocampus. Meditation increases gray matter in the hippocampus, improving memory and emotional regulation. 3. Activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Meditation shifts the body from the stress-inducing sympathetic nervous system fight or flight to the parasympathetic nervous system rest and digest. This results in a lowered heart rate, reduced blood pressure, and a calm mind. The benefits of meditation for stress relief. 1. Immediate stress reduction. Even short meditation sessions can immediately relieve stress by grounding the mind in the present moment. Techniques like mindful breathing or guided meditation are especially effective for reducing acute stress. 2. Long-term resilience. Regular meditation helps build resilience to stress by rewiring the brain's response to challenging situations. Over time, meditators report a more remarkable ability to remain calm and focused during adversity. 3. Improved emotional regulation. Meditation enhances self-awareness, enabling individuals to identify and manage their emotions effectively. This reduces the tendency to overreact to stressors. 4. Better sleep. Stress often disrupts sleep patterns, leading to insomnia and fatigue. Meditation promotes relaxation and reduces racing thoughts, improving sleep quality and duration. 5. Enhanced focus and productivity. Stress can scatter attention, making it difficult to concentrate. Meditation sharpens the focus by training the mind to remain present, boosting productivity and efficiency. 6. Reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. Meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, which are often exacerbated by stress. For example, mindfulness-based stress reduction (MSR) programs have proven effective in clinical settings. 7. Lower blood pressure. Calming the nervous system. Meditation helps lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Scientific studies supporting meditation for stress relief. 1. Harvard study on mindfulness meditation. A Harvard study found that 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation increased gray matter in the hippocampus and decreased amygdala activity, directly reducing stress levels. 2. Johns Hopkins meta-analysis. This analysis reviewed 47 studies and found that mindfulness meditation programs improved anxiety, depression, and pain, all of which are closely tied to stress. 3. University of California. Los Angeles, UCLA. Researchers at UCLA found that consistent meditation slowed age-related brain atrophy, indirectly reducing stress by enhancing cognitive function and emotional regulation. 4. Heart health studies. Studies published in the American Heart Association journal showed that meditation significantly reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure, a key marker of stress-related health risks. Meditation techniques for stress relief. 1. Mindful breathing. Focus on your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. 2. Body scan. Bring awareness to different body parts, starting from your toes and moving upward. Notice sensations, tension, or relaxation without judgment. 3. Guided meditation apps or recordings with a soothing voice guiding you through visualization or relaxation exercises. 4. Loving kindness meditation. Repeat phrases like "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," while gradually extending these wishes to others. 5. Yoga and movement-based meditation. Combine gentle movements with mindful breathing for a stress-relieving practice. Incorporating meditation into daily life. 1. Start small. Begin with 5-10 minutes daily and gradually increase the duration. 2. Create a routine. Meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. 3. Find a quiet space. Choose a location free from distractions to practice. 4. Use apps or tools. Apps like Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer provide guided meditations and reminders. 5. Practice gratitude. Combine meditation with gratitude journaling to relieve stress. Common misconceptions about meditation. 1. Meditation is only for relaxation. While meditation promotes relaxation, its benefits extend to emotional resilience, cognitive function, and physical health. 2. You need to clear your mind completely. Meditation is about observing your thoughts, not eliminating them. The practice lies in gently redirecting your focus. 3. Meditation takes too much time. Even a few minutes of meditation daily can significantly reduce stress. Real-life examples of meditation for stress relief. 1. Corporate settings. Companies like Google and Apple incorporate mindfulness programs to help employees manage stress and increase productivity. 2. Healthcare professionals. Meditation is used by doctors and nurses to cope with the high stress demands of their work, improving focus and reducing burnout. 3. Student schools implementing mindfulness programs report reduced anxiety and improved student academic performance. The future of meditation for stress management. As research continues, meditation is becoming more accessible through technology and workplace initiatives. Virtual reality VR meditation and AI-guided mindfulness tools pave the way for personalized stress management solutions. Conclusion. Meditation is a powerful, science-backed tool for relieving stress and promoting well-being. Meditation provides immediate and long-term benefits by calming the mind, regulating emotions, and enhancing focus. The key is consistency, whether practiced through mindful breathing, guided sessions, or loving kindness meditations. As you integrate meditation into your life, you'll not only reduce stress but also cultivate a greater sense of peace, resilience, and clarity in facing life's challenges. Start your meditation journey today and experience the transformative effects for yourself.